In this video, we'll explore the best methods for how to recover data from a dead iPhone or iPad. Part 1. How to recover data from dead iPhone or iPad without backup. Note, the first is that the iPhone may be in a dead state, but still be able to power on. The second is that the iPhone must have previously trusted the computer you're using. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery on your computer, then connect your dead iPhone using a USB cable. Once the software detects the device, choose the Recover from iOS device mode. Step 2. Select the data type you wish to recover and click Start Scan to begin scanning all the data on your iPhone. After the scan, the results will be displayed in different categories on the left. Step 3. Navigate to the specific data type you want, and you can preview the files on your computer. Then, select the files you want to recover and click Recover to Computer to export them to your computer. Part 2. How to recover data from a dead iPhone or iPad using iTunes. If you have previously backed up your dead iPhone or iPad using iTunes, you can restore the data to another iPhone or iPad through iTunes when the device crashes. However, please note that this process will overwrite any existing data on your other iPhone. Step 1. Connect another iPhone or iPad to the computer where your iTunes or Finder backup is stored. Open iTunes Windows or Finder Mac and make sure it detects your device. Locate and select your device in iTunes or Finder. Step 2. In iTunes, go to the Summary tab and click Restore Backup. In Finder, select Restore Backup from the General tab. Choose the backup you want to restore from the list, making sure it contains the data you're looking to recover. Step 3. Click the Restore button to start the restoration process. Wait for it to complete. The time required will depend on the size of the backup and the speed of your computer. Part 3. How to recover data from dead iPhone or iPad with iCloud. If you have enabled iCloud Auto Backup or Sync, you can still restore or access some of your data from the cloud, even if your iPhone cannot power on. 3.1. Retrieve data from dead iPhone or iPad from iCloud Backup. If you've been using iCloud to back up your data, you might be able to recover your dead iPhone directly from the cloud. This process can be done right on the device, without needing to connect it to a computer. However, you will need a fully functional iPhone or iPad. Step 1. On another iPhone, go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. Step 2. When the Apps and Data screen appears, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Step 3. Sign in with your Apple ID, then select a backup from the most recent iPhone backups available. 3.2. Restore data from dead iPhone or iPad via iCloud.com. You can also retrieve data from dead iPhone directly from the iCloud website. Please note that deleted data on iCloud.com can only be accessed for 30 days. Step 1. Go to iCloud.com in your web browser and sign in using the Apple ID associated with your dead iPhone. Step 2. Enter the verification code sent to your new iOS device, then click Account Settings. Step 3. Scroll down to Advanced, then select Restore Files. Step 4. Choose the file you want to recover and click Restore.